Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of the Simple Earn feature on Binance and make some passive income easily. And I'm going to invest some of my own crypto into Simple Earn to show you how exactly the entire process works. Like the name suggests, it's quite simple to get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is create your Binance account. If you don't have one already, I'll leave a link in the description below. Sign up and create an account. By using the link in the description below, you may be entitled to a sign up bonus and discounts on your trading commission. The second thing you'll have to do is deposit some funds into your Binance account. Now, if you're not too familiar with how to deposit funds into your Binance account, there are a couple of ways to do it. The way I like to do it is use my BitOasis account because I'm based in the UAE, and I find that a simple and safe way to transfer funds into my Binance account. Again, all the useful links you will need for this video will be in the description below. So now that you've opened your account, you've transferred funds into the account, all you have to do is go into the Binance dashboard, go into the Earn section, go into Simple Earn. Now, as a company and as a crypto trading platform, Binance has its own ways of making money. One of them is staking, there's trading, and so on. Simple Earn essentially means you will be lending your money or your cryptos to Binance. Binance uses it to make more money for themselves, and they in turn pay you a portion of the profits. Simple Earn also is capital guaranteed, which means whatever you're putting into the Simple Earn, you're going to be guaranteed back no matter what. Now, as you can see, these are the different options that you have when it comes to Simple Earn. So what you'll be doing is based on what currency you have, cryptocurrency you have on the Binance platform, you can go ahead and lend it to Binance by either clicking on the subscribe button or on the auto subscribe button. Now I'll get into what these are in a little while. The first thing I want you to notice is that the APR is different for all of the different cryptocurrencies, and it ranges from 0%, as you can see right here, all the way up to 32.48%, which is massive. Now, if you don't know what APR is, it's annual percentage rate, and this is the rate of interest that you will be earning per annum. The second thing you need to know about APR is that it's constantly changing based on various market factors. So don't think that today, if you're getting wing at 32.74%, tomorrow you will get the same rate. It might go higher or it might go lower, and that's absolutely normal. The next column shows you the duration in days, which means if it shows flexible, you can deposit money at any time and withdraw the money at any time. And the only thing you'll be losing is the previous day's interest. If you go for one of the options where it says 15, 30, 60, 90, and so on, those are the number of days that you're locking in your funds with Binance Earn. Now, this does not mean that you cannot withdraw your funds if required. What it means is that whatever interest you have earned in that period, you will lose if you take it out before the maturity of the period that you've selected. Now, the last column says subscribe. That is the button that you would be clicking once you decide which coin you want to start earning with. Now, I recommend that you don't choose your coin just based on how high the APR is. Choose and make sure the coin is stable enough, because it doesn't make sense if you're earning 30%, 40%, 50% APR, but the value of the coin is dropping. So do some research and go with a relatively stable coin. Unless you want to do a high risk, high reward method, then you do you. But this is just my recommendation. So to show you exactly how I would go about doing this, I've decided to go ahead and start earning with XRP. So I just have to search it. It shows up. This XRP coin only has flexible option, which I'm absolutely fine with. It's offering me a 1.46% APR, which also I'm fine with. I go ahead and click on subscribe and I say max amount. This is the amount that I have available in my Binance wallet. And I'm also going to select auto subscribe. Please do read the terms and conditions. Don't just click on yes for everything. Now that I've auto subscribed, I'm going to go and read the summary. Down here will show you the estimated returns per day as your reward. I'm okay with that. You can go ahead and read all of this stuff if you need to. Once you're ready, click I've read and agreed and confirm. And it's as simple as that. From tomorrow, I'm going to start earning rewards on my XRP that I've started the Simple Earn feature with. I had some XRP in my wallet and it wasn't making me any money in return. And even though the percentage is small, it's something better than nothing, right? So I decided to put this in. until I decide to use this XRP to trade or whatever it might be. And the reason I've exactly gone ahead and showed you that I myself have subscribed is because everything I do on this channel is what I do myself, and I wouldn't exactly tell you to do something that I personally don't do or believe in. Also, just because I've used XRP in my Simple Earn, please don't go ahead and do XRP for yourself as well. Do your own research. If XRP is right for you, then go ahead. If it's not, then choose the coin that's right for you. Now, this is the Binance APR calculator, and this shows you what your estimated income would be over the course of 1 year based on the coin that you've selected. So I had started with about 2200 XRP. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the details in here, XRP, and I'm going to go ahead and say flexible, which is what I selected. This is the same percentage that I got. So by choosing the auto compound and auto subscribe feature, I'm expected to earn about 32 XRP in a period of 1 year. And if I hold on to it for the period of 5 years, I can earn up to 166 XRP. Now also remember that this is going to give you returns in XRP, not in dollars, not in euros, not in dirhams. No, it's going to give you returns in XRP. So what you need to remember is that once you get that 98 XRP plus the entire 2200 XRP back, you have to remember that that XRP at that time will have a market value which may be higher than today or lower than today. In most cases, it's going to be higher, which is why we all do this. But it's my duty to also tell you that there is that small slight chance that it may go down, and also that just because it is down in that moment doesn't mean that it won't go back up. But there's always risks and rewards in this investing game. Now, is this risky? When it comes to crypto, everything is risky in my opinion. That's why I always advise, don't put in all of your savings, all of your investments into crypto, no matter what the form of it might be it trading, Simple Earn, or whatever it is. Always invest in crypto to your risk appetite. There's lots of other ways to make money on Binance, including trading, investing, and so on. So if you want to learn about the other features on Binance, stick around for the next episode. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like down below. That really helps me out a lot. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you going to try out Simple Earn? If not, let me know why. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.